heat is on. Right now it's put to just this. Really nice, even. We put the switch one. Like that. And it's coming out of both the one and that. And you flip it one more time. It's just coming out really good. It's got really nice pressure. This shower head was easy to install, and it is very high extension here. I'm 6'1", and I come to about here on the shower head, so it's good height. When you turn it on, you get a good flow, nice wide coverage, and then you can switch here to the one. And good pressure on both. This is an excellent, easy modification to your shower.
I installed it, but it doesn't stay up at all, even if I have these as tight as they can be. This one I loosened, but it doesn't matter because it doesn't stay up anyways. I even tried to do a zip tie around it to hold it up, but it doesn't stay up.
Okay.
Works perfectly on that mode.
And that mode as well.